Well, 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 after all these years of hiding, I've finally gotten you out into the open, you filthy piece of garbage.
We can still solve this without bloodshed.
No, it's too late for that now. Only your death can restore honor. I forgot my gun.
Well, that makes things easier.
No, wait, we can talk about it. Wait, hang on, no!
Hello, and welcome to episode 3 of DIY Foley. As you may have guessed, we're going to be doing gun sound effects today. So how can you make the sounds necessary to bring your action thriller to life? Let's go check out some of the tools of the trade.
$14. Free with purchase. Also free. Also free. $20. Free. Look around. Free. 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 Because feet weren't the focus of this shot, I recorded myself on carpet over concrete instead of on wood floor. For this one, I found it easiest to record Sean and Austin independently, but I used the same jacket. When Sean is looking for his gun, I patted the jacket against my body and slid it around. As a general rule of thumb, anytime an actor is moving, you should have some cloth recording to match it. To achieve this effect, I took several samples of sound and layered them all together to make a convincing gunshot noise. First, I used a staple gun. Then I used a staple gun between two pillows to soften the noise. This is a headphone being hit against metal. Here I have a plastic bag being crushed for smoke/debris coming out the front of the gun. The last three here are my voice, with the second two modified. And the result is a very nice shot that sounds like time is slowing down and affecting it. A prop track is the sounds of any object that your actor interacts with during the shot. In this case, the gun was the only prop item that we used. We made the sound of loose metal parts in the gun by shaking around a can opener, but really any set of metal will work. Here I combined the sound of bowls rubbing against each other and opening the top of a coffee maker. This created the illusion as if Austin was pulling his gun from a holster in his jacket. And so, all these effects composited together makes our short film. Now remember, the most important thing is to experiment. Most of these sounds, we experimented a ton. We broke stuff, we banged stuff together, we recorded a lot of junk and a few gems. So go out there and try this on your own. If you have an alternative way of creating any one of these sound effects, please post it as a video response. We want to see what you have come up with. We will share the best ones with the world. That makes things easier. And finally, if there was a Foley effect that you wanted to learn but you did not see here today, put it in the comments section. The ones with the most upvotes, we will show you how to do next week. Alright, thank you.
If you enjoyed this week's video, then please like and favorite it. And if you know someone who would benefit from getting some Foley tips and tricks, please be sure to link. Spread the word. Please subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next Saturday.